So Banner Industries sent me a copy of FlashCar to play and review for my website, say at Rachee. I decided that this would be a perfect game to use at my library because I thought the kids at the library would like to do something that was, well, I like to do some things that are edutainment at the library. I like to focus on things that are fun, but also have some educational piece. In a world with video games, touch screens, instant access to everything, board games aren't always looked upon favorably, so I thought this would be a great way to introduce math and fun at work. So this is how you play the game. We have a box of cards. We have our addition and subtraction cards. Everybody has a card that they picked. I'll show you a card, and you guys have to answer it. If the first person doesn't get it right, he misses a turn, and it goes around until everybody answers the question correctly. Who's the youngest person?
Me. Not me.
Okay, so what color are you?
I'm pink.
Okay, so
I mean purple.
You're purple, so you go first. Who's pink?
Yeah. Cool.
Are you playing? Okay, so we're gonna go around this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You spin the spinner, but before you move, you have to answer the number. You have to answer the question correctly. If you get it right, you can move your spaces. So that's a 4. If you were to answer this question right, what is 17 plus 6?
22. 23. 23.
Okay, so you would move your piece 1, 2, 3, 4. If you
So we have to do it this way.
oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. My fault. If you landed on this pit card, you have to take something. You have to take one of these cards. So you either move a space ahead. That's one of the things that will happen, or you might move. You might miss your next turn. Or you might move 2 spaces ahead. This is what happens if you hit the pit card. The first person to get to the finish is the winner. The first person to answer all the questions correctly and get to the end is the winner. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Have any questions?
No. Are you going to ask me?
2.
Okay.
18 minus 9.
9.
Yep.
Oh,
That was easy.
Okay. Well, let him answer your question.
7 plus 15. Yep.
Wait. You got 3. 1, 2, 3. Take the card.
How do you like the game?
I like it.
So, do you think it's too easy, too hard, it's too confusing?
I think it's easy.
Okay. Well, do you think if we added the multiplication and division, would that be better? Would that make it a little more, not sorry, would that make it, excuse me, more of a challenge if we added the multiplication and division to it?
Yeah.
So you had to think about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. How would you think? Okay. Yeah. Did you think the pace of the game moved fast? Do you think it was too slow?
I think, I don't know, maybe kind of like in the middle.
Okay. So is it something that you would want to play again, or is it something that you played it one time, you had enough?
I would like to play it again.
Would you have played with this if maybe it was flowers?
Not really.
But did you like the fact that it was a car in here instead of a regular plain piece, instead of just a normal, instead of a normal hat or like a box? Or did you like the cars?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay. What else did you like or didn't like, or if you could change anything on this game, what would you change?
I would want to make the game board bigger so the games could take longer.
Okay, you think it was too short? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it did look like it did look like after a couple people took a turn, it could end really fast. What else? What other kind of math problems would you want to see in here? Or did you think the math problems were just right?
Yeah, the math problems were just right.
So you're first grade, 9 years old. I'm going to show you some of the problems that we didn't get to, and just let me know how you think they are. So this one, 9 times 5.
45.
How about 7 times 10?
70.
How about, I'm trying to find a division. 14 divided by 2.
7.
25 divided by 5.
5.
Do you feel like this is too easy, too hard, just right? Or do you feel like it's a good review for what you do in school already?
Yeah, it's a good review. Because they say that we should be practicing our times tables.
Okay.
But in the case of this, we're getting into like long division, and we've already passed like triple digit, quadruple digit multiplication. So now we're into long division.
Oh, so do you think this is good for people who might not know their math facts?
Yeah.
or their multiplication table.
Yeah.
So this would be a good way to review instead of just writing it out or just reciting it. Okay. Is this as fun as First in Math?
Yeah.
Is it? I don't want to say as fun. I don't mean it like that. But do you think you would like to do this in addition to First in Math? Does it feel like extra work when you have to do this and First in Math and your homework and other things?
No. I would actually think that this game should be on First in Math. That's what I would think.
Okay.
I really like the game, and it shouldn't be about cards. It should be about how many things you can guess.
How many things you can guess?
How many answers you can guess.
Well,
And multiplication, division, and subtraction.
didn't you do that?
What?
It has multiplication and division. You think the addition and subtraction was too easy?
Yes.
How do you like math in school? Do you think this should be something that did you feel like this was more like work and not fun?
I think it was more fun than work.
You had to do First in Math for school, so do you think this is something that feels like work or just as fun?
Fun.
Would you have played if it was flowers?
No.
Now why?
I don't like flowers.
Well, what about if it were gnomes or something, or trolls? Would you have played? No. If it was called Flash Troll?
No.
Okay, so but you like the cards? Okay. Yes, no.
No.
Did you like the cards?
No.
What would you have rather played with?
Just regular things.
Okay, get out of here. What grade are you in? How old are you?
I'm in 6th grade and I am 11.
So, how did you like FlashCar?
I did not like it at all.
Why not?
Because
Seriously, why didn't you?
it's a game called FlashCards.
And
I don't want to play a game called FlashCards.
did you think it was just for boys? Or did you just not like the cards?
I don't like FlashCards.
Okay. So, because they're flash cards.
I don't like FlashCards.
And so you think that was flash cards, or just you don't like the fact that it was flash cards? Do you feel like it was too easy?
Yes.
How comfortable are you with basic multiplication? When I say that, I mean how comfortable are you with your math facts and those kind of things? So you feel like this was a good review? You felt like it was just way too easy? Okay. Who would you recommend this game for?
Like an 8-year-old.
An 8-year-old. Alright, if you could change one thing about the game besides the fact that it's cars, what else would you change?
FlashCards.
You don't like the flash cards? So what would you rather have instead of the flash cards?
A regular game like, what's the game called? Chariot Pursuit or something? The game would go around the board without doing flashcards, but you had to do like, silly things like.
So in addition to doing the math problem, you think it should be some other challenges with it? Yeah, interesting. Okay. Anything else you want to say? So I know from you. Okay, thank you.